Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you how to use Neuman Apex Drive Pro Men's Performance. So you might be wondering, what is the Neuman's Apex Drive Pro here that you may be hearing or seeing online? So Neuman Apex Drive Pro here is an at-home or men's performance device designed to support stronger and more reliable erections. Now, according to the official website here, combines targeted shock wave stimulation with precision micro vibrations, which the company says supports blood flow here, tissue response, sensitivity, and control. Now, it is marketed as a non-invasive drug-free device that does not require a prescription. Now, that's the general idea here on how Neuman Apex Drive Pro actually works. Now, how do you exactly use this? Now, this is according to their website here. So the manufacturer here recommends using it for about like 15 minutes, as you can see right now, 3 times a week. Before each session here, you may need to charge the device, apply water-based gel to the contact area, choose a comfortable intensity, and follow the placement guide provided with the device. Now, the website specifically says to start at the lowest comfortable setting here. Now, the company recommends staying consistent rather than judging the device after 1 or 2 sessions. Now, it does suggest 90-day routine is the established routine during weeks like 1 to 2. Monitor changes in firmness and response during the weeks 3 and 5, and evaluate the overall results during week 6 and 12. Now, you can see the full details here inside their website, as you can see right now. Now, according to them, after each session, you want to turn the device off and clean the contact surface with warm water and mild soap here, or a compatible device cleaner. Now, dry it thoroughly before storing it. And the website also says not to heat, reshape, or cut or overshape the flexible silicone contact area. Now, currently, the website does post this at a price of $88 or $86 as of this moment. Although another section here may say differently, so you may want to check their official website here to see the exact pricing for this product here. But they do mention a 90-day money-back guarantee and discreet on-mark shipping. So yeah. So in simpler terms here, Apex Drive Pro here combines shockwave stimulation, vibration into 15 minutes routine intended to support firmness, sensitivity, and control over time. So these are the manufacturer's claims. Now, because this device is intended for men's health, well, the manufacturer recommends speaking with a qualified healthcare professional before use. So if you have let's just say, implanted electronic device, bleeding condition, active infection, recent surgery, significant pain, and another medical condition affecting the treatment area here, so you may want to stop using it if you experience pain, numbness, irritation, or unusual discomfort. So general idea here, if you do have other problems, you may want to consult your doctor before trying using it. And also, with any kind of products that you're buying online, doing your own research and reading reviews inside and outside their website is highly recommended. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.